open practice. 8 drivers. Make some noise, Long Beach. You've been out here sweating it out. Guess what? We got a nice breeze.
Champion in James Dean. The three-peat has happened for the first time ever in FD history.
After winning a championship, you should be on top of the world, you know? But yeah, it hasn't that hurt.
One of the top drivers there to suddenly watching it on in or that I don't have high hopes. I have the highest of hopes.
The best drifter in the world right now.
I absolutely want to do that. But I think
The menace. He's from right here in Long Beach, California. Here's the bracket.
You see them still slowing down or grabbing the handbrake or anything. From our viewpoint, when they come live under the bridge, that's too late. They need to be back on throttle by about halfway around that corner and then go all the way wide to outside zone 1, get their bumper right up to the wall. We don't want to use that wall as like a...
Then we move on to Monroe, Washington. Always a great battle, Seattle. And a new track, Utah, and ending up here in Irwindale, California. Always love visiting Atlanta. It's probably my favorite track, but guess what? It's kind of like choosing your kids. It's hard to say which one your favorite is, but Atlanta is. So go ahead and buy your tickets now. Join us in the building or join us online. But you know, it's always like, okay, the live stream, it's great. You know, we get to listen to Jared and now Ryan Lontaine yell at us. But being in the building, thank you so much for joining us again. I'm Jared Deenda. This is in his Facetto Nissan 350Z, and that is Forrest Wing in the chase position, getting his laboratory. This is our last practice here, our last practice full pull. And Ryan, we talked. Lubricants, Mazda Tricks, Mazda MX-5, Kyle the Menace, Mohan. There are your 8 drivers. Are you ready to send it? Long Beach, make some noise. Hey, let's get a wave going. Let's get a wave going. It's been hot today. Let's cool down a little bit. Hey, all right, let's take a look at this bracket, and we are going head-to-head. All right, so Sorensen.
Well, the MX-5 looks like it's working.
Brandon Sorensen in chase position. In the United States Air Force, BMW. Dean Carney comes into view into that turn 9. Wide swing. There's that first outside zone. Transition in second. I think he's going to tread lightly here, but maybe too lightly right now. Brandon gets all the way out to the second outside zone. Here comes Dean Carney. There's a little bit of slow trickle here coming to that first outside zone. Trent, that was...
Ooh, very slow. Very slow.
Yeah, very slow. And Beecham taking a shallow line. Here's Rome Charpentier, another 80s reference there for you. Rome Charpentier coming into view now, bringing it all the way out. Nice job. Could have been a little deeper there for Rome. Coming to play for Rome Charpentier.
Did get into the wall in practice, and maybe he's a little bit gun shy now, so he's not going quite as deep on zone 1, 2. Did okay on number 3 there, and then you can see Kyle coming up in the rear. Kyle isn't really making many compromises. Like I said, he could be closer on proximity, but...
Kyle the Menace Mohan out front. RCP, Rome Charpentier in the chase position. Looks like he backs off a little bit. Kyle Mohan gets out.